Let's go straight to Lucky G banker for today. 13 banker. Let's just show you. These are the last result for Lucky G. Okay, let's go to Lucky G board. This is Lucky G board that we have now at event at 2008. Look at this event. It play out 47-40. Counting with from 40. From 40, I'm counting from 40. 1, 2, 3. You see this number played 4, 28, 23 played. Then the following week we have this number 41 played. So this week we are going straight for this banker 13, or 41 should turn 14. So 13 is our banker here. You see. Okay, the same thing on fortune board. Fortune board here. This fortune board year 2018. This is fortune board. We have only this number 40 played for you. 40 played for you. The following week I think we have this number 28. 28 also played. The following week we have 12. This became a banker line 12. If we count it from this 40 now to this week, 41 played with 58-70. That is what happened on the board. 40 has played 1, 2, 3 weeks down. We have 41-12 playing with 58 and 70. So without mixing up words, this is our banker 13. 13 is going to play today. So we can stay these two number single 6 13 as a too sure to play today. So let me just show you one event on national board. Look at this national board. National board 2014. Play us this, set us this number 38. Counting weeks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks down. You see this number play 65 single 2. All these numbers are all group 2 numbers. You see. So today this event is very good. It's very good to produce too. Very good. So we are using this event against our banker 13, and then single 6 we are adding to this event. So 13 against this event, to be precise, 13 against this event for Lucky G today. 13 against this event on national. Thank you and good luck.